Yours doesn't look like it's turning pretty at all. I don't know.
You can't
what
see
that
it.
is.
You can't see it, Mom.
We can see it.
You need glasses.
The camera can see it.
Trying to make it nice white. But let me see. Go! What's going on, Sister Squad fam? If you're new here, I'm Chantelle. I'm Bridget. I'm Aria. And today we're doing the turn this old slime into pretty new slime challenge!
So on the table we have a bunch of our old slimes. They don't look pretty.
This slime looks gooey and gross. We're each gonna pick one of our old slimes and we're gonna make it new and pretty again. Be sure to watch to the end so you can comment down below who made the best slime.
That's me.
Vote for me. If you like this video, make sure to give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of our awesome cool videos, yo! So let's get started. Let's get into the video.
Okay, which one are you gonna pick, Aria?
This one.
You want that one?
Yep. Open it.
Sure.
If you want to, you can feel it.
Open it.
Okay, Bridget, which one are you gonna pick?
I'm gonna pick this one. It's my pink slime that I made in a video.
Oh, that's like 100 years old. That looks really...
I'm gonna make it pretty after.
That's really gross. That feels kind of squishy.
Remember, this was
gooey.
my birthday cake slime.
Okay, take it out of the bag. Chantelle, which one are you picking?
I'm gonna pick this one because I made it in one of the Halloween slime videos and I didn't really like it anymore because it's Halloween. It's Halloweenish and I don't like Halloween that much.
Can I have my ball?
So you're gonna have to change that color.
Yeah.
Good luck. Okay, everyone take their slimes out.
Here's my slime. It's super sticky. And you can't really poke it because it's sticky. I'm gonna change the color and make the texture better. I'm gonna get the lotion. And I'm gonna grab some this glue. And grab this glitter. And grab the stern stick. I'm gonna get this blue paint. This blue paint. And I'm gonna get this blue paint. And the two blue paints. And then I'm gonna grab this glitter and then I'm gonna grab this pink glitter. Okay, it's my turn.
Okay, go ahead. Show your slime.
Really stretchy. It's really pokey, see?
Ooh, this feels like clay. It's really...
That's not clay.
No, it doesn't feel... It's not...
I want to grab all my fingers.
It is a little bit stretchy, but it feels really...
Yeah.
Kind of feels like Play-Doh, actually.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
It's
not sticky, but it feels like Play-Doh. It's kind of hard.
I'm going to paint some purple, some green paint. Actually look like blue paint. I'm going to pick the blue paint. It's really
Okay.
good.
Do you want any of these glitters?
She's back here.
Okay, pick some glitters.
This blue glitter.
That's it?
Yep.
Okay, which glue do you want to pick?
This one.
She said so. Ooh, she picked
metallic.
She picked the new metallic. That's pretty cool. This is my slime. And it's actually pretty nice. So I don't really like the Halloween theme, so I'm gonna take out like the eyeballs and put a little bit more glitter, and I'm gonna make it nice. So let's go and get my ingredients. So first I'm gonna get this because I'm gonna make a Winterfest, and I'm gonna get some shaping foam. I'm probably just gonna take the rest of this iridescent glitter. We need some foam balls. Well, I need the lotion and some of the stuff that Bridget's using. So, you'll see that in the video. I think I'm done. Wait, I need paint. Yeah, I need paint. I need Bridget's paint. I need Bridget's. And I think I'm gonna get some white and then I'm good. Okay, and I'm gonna pick a little bit more glitter because I love glitter. So I'm gonna pick this nice silver one and this one because it kind of looks like wintry.
I like your glitter.
Yeah,
Glitter.
and I'm good.
Let's get started.
Okay, first I'm gonna add in my white paint because I want to make it like a lighter color. Come on, get it. Look, it's like mushy. Okay, I think that's
I'm
a
gonna
lot.
put my glue inside.
I'm gonna take the eyeballs out because I don't want eyeballs in my Winterfest. So I'm just gonna search for them. Searching for the eyeballs! Da-na-na-na.
I'm gonna put my
Da-na-na-na.
white glue inside.
Da-na-na.
Can I pour it too much? Yep. Can I pour?
Yeah, you can pour it in. Go ahead.
Can I pour one?
Pour whatever you want.
Okay.
Yeah, pour it all if you want.
Whoa! Looks nice, alright?
Look,
And now
it looks like boogers.
I'm gonna add my shaving cream.
Oh, that looks pretty. Guys, look at my slime. I got enough glue. Can I add my turquoise blue?
Sure. Wow, you got some pretty metallic glue there.
Yep. A lot of that glue. That's so pretty.
That's really nice. I hope yours turns out good.
More. I added a little bit of shaving cream and some white paint, and it's getting a little bit lighter. I just need to add more.
Still pretty orange. I don't know. You're turning yours into like a winter theme?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's supposed to be
Good luck.
my slime.
It looks so pretty. Guys, look my slime.
Look at all
Wow.
the shaving.
I think Aria's looks more like a winter theme than yours, Chantelle.
No,
Right now.
hers is dark.
I don't know.
Oh yeah, that's more better than that orange one. Now prove it. Give me that blue paint. I need it. There's not a lot left. Then we're gonna add a little bit of shaving cream.
Mom, add my blue paint.
See, it's turning a bit wintry. Oh no. It's not turning wintry at all. I can still see the shaving cream.
At the bottom.
Yours doesn't look like it's turning pretty at all.
No, it's turning pretty.
I don't know.
You
what,
don't. You
I don't
can't
know what
see
that
it.
is.
You can't see it, Mom.
We can see it.
You need glasses.
The camera can see it. I think all the people watching can see it. Guys, comment down below. Is this looking pretty?
Yeah.
Or is it,
Great.
Or is
It's
it
awesome.
looking uglier than before? I'm not sure. Good luck, Chantelle.
Oh, that looks uglier. It's turning white. It's turning white. My dream is coming to reality.
All right.
My shaving cream helps me.
Guys, look my slime. It's so pretty. Do you like my slime?
Comment down
Yeah,
below.
It's spooky at the end.
Spooky? We're not doing spooky. It's not. Halloween's over now. You gotta make it pretty,
Yeah, like this.
not spooky.
That's good. I like
Wow,
this.
that looks like cotton candy.
Guys,
It is.
I want
It does.
shaving
Looks
cream.
like
I want
Galaxy
shaving
cotton
cream,
candy.
guys.
You want some shaving cream?
Yep.
All right.
No, that's a little dot.
A little dot. Is that
No. Yep.
good? All right.
I'm gonna make stairs.
That's bad. Let me see. Trying to make it nice white.
Nope.
But
Oh, my.
let me see. Not too bad.
That looks like Halloween slime again.
It's not too bad.
Well, actually, that looks.
A few moments later.
Alright,
Well,
I see my blue in my slime. I see blue. I see it.
It's coming along.
I see blue. Look at that. Look.
Yeah, I see a little bit.
Comment down below if you think I'm gonna have a good slime at the end. Ooh, the foam balls are going into my pokes.
That's enough.
So here's my
slime. It's very crunchy because of the foam beads. It's very stretchy. It's pokey. And it's a pretty slime. And it has some beads in it. And some foam beads. Comment down below blue ocean slime.
If you like Bridget's the best. Okay,
If
now
you
let me
like mine the
poke
best.
it. Let me see. Oh, that feels really nice. Got a good poke. And it's stretchy. I like that. The color's really nice. You see lots of glitter. Looks good, Bridget. You did a really good job.
Did I win?
I don't know. We haven't seen the other ones yet. But this looks really good.
Do Aria's next.
Really
please.
stretchy. Very nice. I like it. Are you done, Aria?
Yep.
Yeah?
Let's
Let's see yours. Oh, yours has a very nice poke.
Mine's very nice too.
No. Then add a little bit foam beads.
Oh, you want to add more foam beads? Okay. Well, yours is getting a lot better.
Eventually.
Oh, it's a big slime.
Guys,
Wow.
I'm adding in my glitter.
I think you turned your old slime into a really nice, pretty slime.
Add too much glitter inside so I can make it.
That's really pretty. And what's yours supposed to be?
Blue.
Blue? So just hashtag blue
Yep.
if you like Aria's the best.
Okay, now I'm gonna show you mine. Haha.
Hello there.
That's a lot of glitter.
I know, because I love it.
And what's yours supposed to be?
Winterfest!
That looks pretty and all, but what is your texture like, Chantelle?
It's awesome.
Really?
This is the poke. Oh, it feels so nice with the glitter.
Oh, no. Want some glitter. Guys.
Like this? Okay.
I love the blue glitter.
That is giant.
I know.
This isn't the giant slime challenge.
I know mine's big.
You wanna
too.
try?
The poke is pretty good.
Thank you.
And it's very stretchy, but
What?
it's kind of sticky.
How is it sticky?
It's sticky.
How is it sticky?
Well, it's sticking to my hands a little bit. It's a
Just
little,
put it in your
it's a
slime.
little bit sticky, but
How?
it looks nice.
Okay.
Mine looks nice.
The color, I'd say, came out pretty good after all that. But
Yeah,
it,
it's really nice.
Hey, it's not sticky.
so yours is, comment down below, hashtag Winterfest.
Yeah.
If you think Chantelle has the best one. So Bridget's is hashtag ocean, hashtag blue for Aria,
Oh, do you like Bridget stuff? No.
and hashtag Winterfest for Chantelle.
Ta-da! Pretty.
That's a big slime swirl.
I know.
Looks
Awesome.
good.
Do you like my swirl? Yeah, we
Nice swirl.
Yeah, that's a pretty.
Your slime kind of looks
I'm
like
gonna touch it at the
toys.
same time. Your slime kind of looks
Like a toy store slime.
mine's awesome.
If you like this video, make sure to give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our awesome, cool videos, yo!
Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.